Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi everyone, my name is Eric and let's go ahead and answer problem 12. In problem 12, our focus is on the TF2. Now the TF2 essentially stands for transcription factor. And transcription factors are essentially proteins involved in transcription. So the question that is being asked is, in transcription, at what stage would these TF2 proteins be active? And in our answer choices, we are listed 4 different steps. And we are going to go over what the TF2 does and help figure out which stage it would be present in. So for a TF2, essentially, as I said before, it's a protein involved in transcription. And what it does is that these proteins are going to be present in helping a polymerase, the enzyme responsible for the actual transcription process of making the RNA nucleotides come together. If we have a DNA molecule, a double-stranded DNA molecule, our transcription factors are going to be those proteins that are involved in helping the polymerase attach together to the DNA, right? So these proteins would bind and come together in order to get the polymerase to bind to the DNA itself. Essentially, what it's going to do is it is going to make a complex so that we can have a polymerase DNA complex that can be initiated and essentially transcribe our DNA. And the step that is going to be directly involved in this whole process is the process termed as initiation. Because this is the step where our polymerase is initiating and binding to the promoter region of our DNA. If our promoter region is here, our DNA polymerase is going to bind to this promoter. And so I hope this helps explain what the TF2 factors do. Now, keep in mind that these are transcription factors, and there are many different subvariations of these factors. So there's like A through F. There's so many different letters that are involved, and each one has its own part. But typically, they are going to be involved in the initiation process of getting that polymerase onto the DNA. So for the answer that we're looking for, it is answer B, initiation, where these TF2 factors are going to help bind the polymerase to the promoter. Thanks for watching and see you next time.